Show. My name's Mike, and if you're with me right now, you might have the idea that you can't meditate, okay? You might have tried to meditate before, you might have found it really horrible, uncomfortable, made you fidgety, your thoughts were all over the place. I'm there with you. That's definitely was my experience when I first started to try meditating. And what I want to say is that if you really want to meditate, if you know the benefits of it, and it's been something that you've been struggling with, start with shorter amounts of time. Okay, so this morning it's going to be a 3-minute meditation. Whatever time of day it is for you, it's morning for me. We're just going to do 3 minutes, a really simple breath and presencing meditation, just like bringing attention back to the hands. And I just want to keep like really gently beating over everybody's head that might be out there with me that it's better to meditate for 30 seconds in the morning than it is to skip it all together and think you don't have time. Okay, meditation creates time in your day. Meditation gives you space from the clutter of your thoughts to maybe allow thoughts to come in that are going to help you solve problems throughout your day, that are going to bring awarenesses that you weren't able to see before you sat down in stillness. And really, like when you wake up in the morning, just putting your feet on the ground, your hands on your legs, closing your eyes and taking some intentional breaths, that counts as meditation. You just meditated if you did that, right? So we're gonna do a 3-minute meditation. Okay, it's 3 minutes, you can make it through. And I just want you to find a comfortable position to sit. Okay, the way that I've heard it described again and again that fits for me is sitting up with dignity. Okay, so you don't wanna be rigid, like you don't want your spine like really rigid and muscles engaged. It's not that. Sitting up proud, chest up, shoulders just kind of soften down the back. Not too soft, you're not slouching either, right? That's like, it's important to get into a position, and having your tailbone out behind you, getting your sits bones out of the way can really help create a little curve in the lumbar spine that's going to help you to sit comfortably in stillness, okay? So come into that seated position, and then I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to bring your hands, the palms of your hands on top of your legs, okay? And in these first few moments, bring all of your focus onto that connection of your hands and your legs. Just to start, feel the warmth of your hands. And start to be aware of your breath, right? Breath doesn't have to feel labored, it doesn't feel forced, but it's intentional. Breathe in, be aware of your hands, and breathe out. Just feel that connection of your hands and your legs. Inhale. Exhale. And your mind might wander. And if you catch it, when you catch it, you come back to the breath. Simple breathing in. Feel your hands. Breathing out. Feel your hands. Feel it. Be aware of it. Anchored in this present moment just by the simple connection to your breath and the physical sensations of your hands resting on your legs. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Attention here. Feel your hands. Feel your sit bones in contact with whatever you're sitting on. Breathe in and breathe out. Just stay here with your breath, connected to your physical body through intentional breathing. Feel the warmth of your hands on your legs. Feel the air going in and out through your nostrils. Breathe in and breathe out. Do that again. A full inhale, fill your lungs up. Let all that air out. One more breath in. One more breath out. Gently open your eyes. You just meditated for 3 minutes. What? Amazing. Please try to find time in your day to be in stillness, okay? When I started meditating, I am a go, 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 like wanting to always be moving kind of person. And when I started meditating, I always describe it, it felt like my skeleton was trying to escape from my body. It just like this antsy feeling, thoughts flowing all over the place. And really, 5 breaths can count as meditation when you first start, okay? And anytime, even if you've been meditating for years, sometimes there's things happen, you get pulled out, and just like being able to find a moment to be still, to feel your breath, to feel your body, and create space from the clutter of things that you think you have to think about, okay? So please keep moving your body, keep nourishing your body, find time for a mindful meditation practice, regardless of how much time that is. If you start small, my experience was that I started to crave more. I'm going to meditate after I'm finished this video because 3 minutes is not enough for me, but I acknowledge you for doing 3 minutes if you made it through that, okay? And if you made it through a minute, I acknowledge you for that. Come back and do this video again and just keep coming back for a few minutes to find some stillness, okay? Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you again really soon.